Fame Apparels Limited, one of the largest garment manufacturer, established in 2001 with a vision to build premium garments. The production facilities of Fame Apparels Limited are situated Basic Hoshiari Industrial Estate of Fotullah at Narayanganj in Bangladesh. We have 10th storied building covering more than 134,000 square feet space and employing over 2,200 employees. It has also own helipad for landing helicopter. Our production is total vertical integrated and equipped with most advanced machinery with production capacity of 120,000 pieces basic items. Fame Apparels Limited is going to start Kentucky Textile Limited dyeing unit. It is situated at Shunarga, Narayanganj in Bangladesh and dyeing capacity is 25 tons per day. Fame Apparels Limited processes a state-of-the-art factory meeting all international codes of quality and safety, which can easily satisfy the highest demands of our buyers. Fame proudly certified that Accord Building Safety Inspection been done and achieved Category Green. SEDEX audit been done and recognized as Category Green. We have a strong monitoring system from receiving buyer's order to final production after testing and approving the quality of production. The fabrics come to the factory after being checked through several quality procedures. Our fabric QC team checked the finished fabrics This is a world-class standard factory. We have a skilled workforce who are experienced to perform all aspects of garments when factoring process. Our sewing section is well equipped with 40 sewing lines, more than 350 plain machines, 288 overlocks, 144 flat locks, etc. The best quality product is our asset, and we have several skills departments including pre and post panel inspection team to standard quality procedure to ensure the best quality output. With our quality and service, we are able to achieve the confidence of the following buyers like Jiman, New Yorker, LPP, Elcott, Pepco, Boyd, etc. Fame Apparels Limited has a superior policy for fire protection, handling the entire infrastructure well equipped by firefighting devices. We have an in-house well-trained firefighting team. We conduct an effective fire drill to build up the consciousness of our staffs and workers. Frame Apparels Limited is not only to excel in its production, but also want to provide facilities for its employees, operated in accordance with Bangladesh Labour Act. 2 Eid bonus, casual leave 10 days, the sick leave is 14 days, maternity leave is 112 days, festival holiday is 11 days, weekly holiday, earned leave. We have also an elaborate medical, child care support and regular recreation activities such as our drinking water treatment plant, different dining arrangements for men's and women's, etc. Thus, the world spirit can be enhanced a lot